Alright, so in today's video, I got a little surprise for you guys. I know I said I was going to get more parts for the car, so that's what I've been doing. Been saving up to get a couple parts, get some stuff done to the car. Winter is coming up, so I've been kind of taking a little pause on mine in the car for now. I just want to make sure she's ready for winter. But after that, going all out, getting so many parts. But in the meantime, I got these. So one thing that before I unbox these, and just to give a disclaimer, I already looked at these. Package came earlier when I was on my lunch break, so I just came home, grabbed the package, took a look at it, and was like, okay, cool. But yeah, I used to have sequential tail lights on Sally, and for whatever reason they broke. The brackets that will hold them in place, they broke. So I ended up putting the original factory OEM tail lights on, which look good as well. But you know, to make her look a little more cleaner, I just wanted the aftermarket set. So I ordered these Eurostyle tail lights. Now I've seen them on Instagram. I don't want to get the Instagram name wrong, but there was a purple NEWEDGE on Instagram, and there was a yellow NEWEDGE on Instagram that I follow as well. I'll put their Instagrams in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. But they posted photos of the clear tail lights, and I've never seen them on the NEWEDGE before, and I always said they would look really clean if they had some. So since they saw it, it basically motivated and inspired me to get a pair for myself. So company is USR, I believe. Nicely packaged, and these are clear housing OEM style tail lights. So let's take a look at this. I actually don't need the knife. Like I said, I opened it earlier, but it came nicely packaged, and sheesh, off the rip, just immediately opening the box and taking a look at it, bro. They're so fire. I can already tell it's gonna look so good, especially against the dark shade of gray. But let's take these off. And it comes with all like your hardware and stuff you need, like it's or not hardware, but it comes with the bulbs that you need. It's only, I believe it's 5 or 4 bulbs that you need. Yeah, it's actually 4. Okay, so take a look at this, guys. This is so fire. That looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to see this on Sally. Super clean, super clear. Yeah, these are sick. These are really sick. And not many NEWEDGE owners have this. I think it's a company that just started, if I'm correct. Or perhaps if they've been out, they might have just now started producing the clear Eurostyle ones for NEWEDGEs, perhaps. But in my opinion, in my opinion, these are the best style for tail lights. And I think that I'll be the first to have them on the DSG 2 valve, unless somebody else already did it. If somebody already did it, shout out to you. Let me be the second person to do it. But these are the bulbs. These are like tinted, and one is clear for the reverse light. And then this is the other one. Like I said, nicely packaged. Cover labeled so that way you know which side is for which. Obviously this is passenger side, so this will be driver's side. Yeah, these look sick. They look extremely sick. So, and be careful with the packaging. Yeah, nicely packaging, bro. These what? Okay, and they got these little protective covers on the back, so you can protect the hole where the bulbs go in, so nothing goes inside of here. No dirt, no debris. Shiny. All right, so I'll stop the video here, and I'll pick the video up tomorrow. I just got off work. I'm beat. I'm tired. I'm not putting these on. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today is tomorrow. I know yesterday I spoke about installing these tail lights. As you can see, I already got started on one. Couldn't help it. It just looks so good. It looks extremely good. That's fire. But yeah. I was inside the shop, gave it a go, installed this one. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So I figured I'll try it out first and then see how it looks, and then I'll record the process on how to do the other one. Okay, so first thing you want to do, which I already did, just take this little piece off. I'm missing one on this side, unfortunately, but you're gonna take this little plastic piece off. Now we'll set that up top so we don't lose that. But that piece goes right here for your liners to hold it in place. So excuse me for the ashy hands working on cars, but once we take that piece off, there are 4 nuts that you want to remove. You guys can see it right here. So there's one right here, there's one at the top right here, there's another one right here, and there's one more back there. So literally all you're going to need is what is this, 1/4 inch ratchet with a size 11 socket, 11 millimeter, yeah, 11 millimeter socket. Make sure that that's on unloosen, and you're just going to basically unbolt these. So I'm gonna crack those loose. Just crack this one loose as well. Kind of hard doing it with one hand. But yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. And once we get this installed, we'll get some clips for you guys so you can see what it looks like. But that's tightening. All right, cool. Crack that one loose. Just reach back there. 1 second. Pull this down. Actually, let me zoom out for you guys. There you go. Pull this down and out the way. Cool. Don't worry, I'm replacing all of that anyway. So we cracked that one loose. Now you want to get this one loose. All right. Then there's one more at the bottom. All right, then we can just loosen it by hand. So first one, I'm gonna loosen that. And guys, whenever you're unloosening something or taking something apart, just for practice, it's always good to keep everything neat and organized so you don't lose anything. So once we take our nuts off, we're gonna set them right here. If there's different sizes, I obviously want to put it in order, but these are all the same sizes. So just gonna take these off. I was gonna make like a time lapse of me doing this, but I know some people like to see each and every step of working on the car. So perhaps in the next install video of whatever part I put on, I'll do like a little time lapse for you guys with some music over there or something. But take this one off, set that there. Then our last one back here. Like I said, this is pretty easy for the most part. I'm not gonna lie. It literally take 2 seconds. You can do this in the driveway. Well, you could do it in the shop. I was in the shop when I did the other side, but like I said, it was too noisy, and then you guys wouldn't be able to hear. And I just was excited to get that piece on first. So just got that on, saw what that looked like. And I'm gonna let you guys see me do the other side. So once you get those off, the next thing you want to do is disconnect. You don't have to disconnect it, but I'm gonna disconnect it just because it's good practice. Actually, I'm not gonna do that because I got one hand. Let me switch hands. There we go. Cool. So once all those are loose, this should literally just pop right out. And our bulbs will still be attached. Cool, there you go. Give it a little pull, try not to scratch the paint. And boom, just like that. So now's a good time to take out any debris or anything that you have inside there. Like I got leaves and spider webs over there or whatever. But so what you want to do is take these bulbs out. It's just 4 bulbs. And we're going to not get these two mixed up because this one is reverse at the bottom. This is brake light, so put this that way. So this is a reverse. Put a reverse. And then also to pop the harness off of this piece. Cool. Here we go. Alright. We got that one up. out with the old and with the new. I set this over here. Like I said yesterday, these came nicely packaged, so they have these little protective covers on there, so no debris or anything gets inside. So I peel those off. I'm gonna set that on the old one for now. Peel this off. Cool. And then I'm gonna change our bulbs. So grab this, and I should have. I know I'm using one hand, so it's gonna take longer, but can't find my head strap. When I was recording POV videos that same day, I set it somewhere in the car. Then I took it in the house because I was picking up my dog, taking him to the park. So I can't have him in the car with the stuff in the back seat. He like to take all my stuff and mess it up, so gotta find it. It's in the house somewhere. But yeah, so we're gonna take these bulbs out. Literally, just be gentle. Just pull back and push up at the same time. Well, if you're using one hand, but you should just pop right out. Give it a little tug. Yep, pop that one out. We're gonna put those back in the old plastic bag. Pop this one out. Pop this one out. And that's our reverse. Pop this one out. Alright, there we go. Pop that one out. Then we're gonna do it in order. So we'll do our reverse first so that way we don't get that one mixed up. Excuse me guys, just like that. Put this in here. Try not to touch the bulb. But there you go. So we gotta reverse them first. And then since these are clear, the bulbs are red themselves, which is fire. So put this in the next one. Like I said, super easy, super simple. Anybody can do this. Even if you aren't mechanically inclined, you haven't turned any wrenches, it's just so easy. Anybody can do this. Like I said, like you can just literally look it up on YouTube. Pretty sure there's other videos of different taillights and how to install it, but that's pretty much it. And then to make sure they work, you can get inside, press on the brake, pull the e-brake up, put it in reverse, get out and look at it, see if they work. I already tried that with that side. It worked perfectly, functional. So next step would be to bring our Eurostyle tail light over here. And then what I'm going to do is connect this harness to this piece right here. So keep it in place. And put our reverse light bulb down here at the bottom. And we're going to twist. Once we get that in, you're going to twist to lock it in place. Like such. I'm going to grab this one. Put this one in. Lock it in place. Same process for the rest of them. I should have put on gloves. I got gloves back there. I don't know why I didn't put them on. Alright, twist that in place. Get our last one in. Gotta line these up. Boom, just like that. And then there's like little holes that these go in, so I make sure our tabs go in there. Line everything up. Just push this through. There we go. We're going to repeat the same process that we did earlier. Take our nuts. Pause. And we're going to tighten these by hand. Remember, there's 4 of them, so get that one. And our last one. Okay, cool. And just to speed up the process, this is what it will look like, which is super. All right, so I set you guys in here. All we gotta do now is just tighten this up. I say you get a ratchet, 11mm socket. Pull this part down, and then I'm gonna tighten our nuts that's on the back. There's only 2 in the back and 2 in the front. There you go. I'm old-fashioned. Power tools are so faster and more convenient to use, but I like to use hand tools instead. Make sure I don't mess anything up. Okay, cool. And then we got one more that you guys probably won't be able to see, but oh yeah, here we go. It's all the way back here. Yeah, you guys probably can't see that, but it's all the way right here. Just gonna tighten that by hand first. And perfect. All right. Make sure everything's tight. And then I'm gonna put our liner back. So push this back up here. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. This is what the final result. This is what she looks like with clears on. These are USR, I think it's Unique Style Racing Eurostyle clear tail lights for 99 to 04 Mustang GT. Hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, that's a little quick review or unboxing, review, install, and some little photos and videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I certainly do. I love the look. This looks so much better. And can we just thank the lighting like for today? Yo, the lighting is crazy. The sun looks so good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. One more quick walk around. And oh, I can talk about that. So as far as, and this is a great shooting location. I gotta come here more often. But as far as pricing, I believe I paid $120. I think they were $120 for both tail lights. So that's a really good deal. It's extremely affordable. Like I said, the majority of parts for this car is affordable. So if you guys looking to get a set, make sure you hit up USR. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them. This isn't like a paid video. I'm not getting paid to do this. This is just a product that I was curious to buy, put it on, did a review for you guys. Hopefully you guys like it and you guys buy them as well. And yeah, I found them on eBay. So make sure you guys go on eBay, look up USR, and get these clear tail lights. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.